Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. By the way, meron akong available na tarot reading or astrological reading. Pwede ka mamili doon sa aking TikTok shop, no? Check out mo na lang yung kung gusto mo, kung gusto mo lang. Kasi limited offer lang 'yan. Okay, kung ilan lang yung bracelet na available. For that offer. Kasi alam niya naman po, hindi naman po talaga ako nagbibigay ng personal reading. Yung, especially yung tarot. More on, yung astrological, meron ako niya, naka-promo pa. So, if you want, feel free to check it out. Diyan sa TikTok shop. Okay, let's start. This is for Libra, Philippines. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Okay, let's start your reading. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. You do have your tragedy. Crush is here. Ayan. Wait lang guys, inom lang ako konti. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the irreconcilable differences, divorce and final. I feel like there's something here na pwedeng iniisip mo. Like, maybe, connection or relationship na parang hindi na masyadong okay para sa'yo. Some of you pwedeng may another person na involved, but, maaaring ngayon, hindi ka okay because of this. Like, ayaw mo na. The way I see this with the divorce and final, you want separation. You want this to end. You want na mag-focus na lang sa buhay mo, kung ano pa yung maayos mo sa buhay mo. And, regarding this person, maybe nakikita mo na wala na siyang halaga sa'yo, or wala ka nang makukuha pa sa kanya, or yung mga lesson na dapat mong matutunan sa kanya, nakuha mo na, no? And now you are focusing on yourself here. And, I feel like, sabihin na natin, may naging pakinabang din naman siya sa'yo. Kaya lang, parang ang focus mo kasi present and future. You know what I mean? Tapos, nakikita mo na, wala na siya. Ito na lang yung pinaka-potential niya eh. Parang ganun. Ito na lang yung kakayahan niya. Ito na, hanggang dyan na lang talaga siya eh. So, parang ikaw, nakita mo na, wala nang silbi. Parang ganun. Itong taong ito sa buhay mo. No? And you no longer want this, person. Now, sino ba itong person na tinutukoy natin? Person, nakakonect mo. Kunin natin yung main energy niya. You do have here, access granted. Drastic is here. I don't know if you have met this person online. Pwedeng ganun. Pwedeng nagkakilala kayo sa online nitong taon to. Or, you do have a lot of kakonect. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng may iba ka pa kasing kakonect. So, the way I see this, pwedeng kaya parang wala nang silbi yung taong sa'yo to kasi mas nakikita mo na hindi naman siya kawalan sa akin. Mas ako pa nga ang kawalan sa kanya. Pwedeng ganun. And then you do have your drastic. So, you want to cut this person off. And yeah, lost is here. Cut off. Yeah, maybe yung iba sa inyo, you see this as a karmic person. Okay? Maybe someone na, like what I've told you, pwedeng yung mga lesson. The lesson is here. Regarding sa relationship na to, ay nakuha mo na. Or maybe there's a third party na involved. Or maybe, okay na sa'yo na i-block or i-cut off siya. Okay? So, ano ba ang emotions mo towards this person? At ano rin ba ang emotions niya patungkol sa'yo? nakukuha ko you are a person with class. No? Pwedeng magaling kang magdamit. Or the way na ipakita mo yung sarili mo sa tao. Handyan yung may class. And also at the same, yung iba maybe you do have Virgo in your chart. Like, check your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Kasi nakakaramdam ako ng business style kind of energy. Or kung manabit ka, it's, presentable, ayan, mature, and smart ang itsura. Or, ayun nga, parang may class. But, anyway, okay lang kahit hindi. Emotions. Let's go to your emotions. Okay, you do have here meeting, interview, divine masculine, insatiable, love affair, lockbox, and threatened. So, I don't know, I just saw the word lockdown kasi. And syempre, familiar tayo sa word na lockdown, and which is naririnig natin yan nung pandemic. So, I don't know if you do have a person na na-meet or nakilala or kakonect mo during pandemic times. I can see a person in the past na nagre-resurface ngayon, no? Or bumabalik sa buhay mo ngayon. And I don't know if you can relate to that. That could be a friend, a business partner, or a lover. I don't know. But some of you ganun. And also, I just saw the symbol Rahu, or yung North Node, yan, sa astrology. And actually, this is like the future. Like, maybe kung sino yung mga kakonect mo ngayon, nakakita tayo ng future with regards to that. Okay? So, anyway, regarding sa emotions kasi, may nakikita tayong energy na parang I don't know if you're waiting on something or someone. Pwedeng ganun. Kasi, ang emotion mo dito sa taong ito, there's love, pero mas nakukuha natin yung, mas pine-prepare mo yung sarili mo sa something else. Or, maybe someone new. Because there's 2 or more people with the meeting. So, maybe that's a friend or another person, or kung may bago na dadating sa'yo, like you are preparing yourself to this, no? Dito sa person na to, sabihin na natin naging mahalaga siya, minahal mo siya, but I can see your energy here na parang nagbo-blooming ka kasi, no, like this flower, no? And the more na mas pinahalagahan mo, binibigay mo yung pagmamahal na yan sa sarili mo, the more na mas nag-glow up ka, the more na mas nag-bloom ka. So, okay, importante yung past, but sa ngayon, ang mas mahal mo or ang mas importante sa'yo ay ang sarili mo. That's how I see your energy here. Regarding the past person, some of you, there's a third party na involved. So, yung love affair dito could be a third party, could be a friend. So, I don't know, I really couldn't tell. Pero parang yung attention is nandito. Or yung pagpapahalaga, kung papipiliin siya, kung ikaw or itong person na ito, na kung sino man ito, could be a friend, could be a family, or someone. Love affair is another person na involved dito sa connection na ito. Mas nakikita natin na ito yung mas pinipili niya. But this person, gusto ka niya, mahal ka niya, the way I say this, but ang may mali dito, sarili niya mismo. Ang pinaka nararamdaman niya ngayon sa'yo is nahihiya siya. Maybe, kung walang third party na involved, yon, mas nakikita natin na nahihiya siya. Nahihiya siya sa kung ano yung meron siya, kung ano yung kaya niyang i-present sa'yo, kung anong kaya niyang ibigay, kasi parang feeling niya it's not enough. And, kung may third party naman na involved dito, I feel like this person is guilty sa mga ginawa niya sa'yo. And, parang wala na siyang kawala doon. Nagawa ko na, nangyari na, ano pang gagawin ko. That's energy. But, nandun yung feeling na parang, if you would still take me, kung kukunin mo ko, kung kakailanganin mo pa ako, I'm here. I'm here. And, nakararamdaman ko pa nga yung feeling na parang sana kailanganin mo ko. May ganong energy. So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? For the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. In the future for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Love is here, and you do have your history. One more card. Pretending and isa pa. Desire. Pressure cooker. I want to clarify the love and history. Please clarify this, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. Alien is here. And at the bottom of the deck, you do have your journal. In the near future, I can see another chapter of your life, Libra. There's a person, like nabanggit ko na kanina, may person in the past ang magre-resurface or babalik sa buhay mo to create another story with you. And I can see a potential of a new lover, no? Or a person in the past na pwedeng lumabas siya as a lover. And there's, the way you see this is like, parang kuryente, no? May kuryente. So, it's like, may chemistry sa inyo, nitong taong to. And, I feel like, yeah, magre-resurface talaga tong taong to. Kasi whatever na pinagdaanan mo dito sa past na ito, like, hindi mo dapat yung tignan actually na parang wala na lang or panghinayangan mo, kasi kung ano man itong past na ito, pwedeng may lesson pa rin naman siya, or kailangan mo pa rin naman talaga siya pagdaanan para matutunan mo yung mga lesson na dapat mong matutunan sa buhay mo. And then, with regards to the past person, a lot of pagtatago, a lot of pagkukunwari, and may galit tayong nakikita doon. May galit. Especially pag nalaman niya yung tungkol sa past person na magre-resurface sa buhay mo. Kasi, although gusto niya magselos, wala siyang karapatang magselos. Okay? So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.